Hi everyone, I'm Sophie. Today, I want to tell you about my commute to work. I take the subway every day. My commute starts with a short walk to the station. The streets are just starting to wake up, and I can smell fresh coffee from a small cafe on the corner. I stop and buy a coffee to go.
Good morning. The usual?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.
I smile and head to the station. I go down to the platform. It's rush hour, so the platform is busy. I wait for the subway. It usually arrives in a few minutes. Once I'm on board, I listen to a podcast. Sometimes the subway car is packed and I have to stand. Other times, I get lucky and find a seat by the window. Of course, my train isn't always on time. Sometimes it's delayed, and I have to wait a little longer. It's not a big deal. I just message my manager and stay calm. When I get off the subway, I walk to my office.
Good morning. How was your commute?
Pretty good. No delays today. I hang up my coat, make a cup of tea, and get ready for the day. I usually leave the office around 5:30.
Heading out? See you tomorrow.
You too. Have a good evening. My ride home is calmer than the morning. The rush hour crowd is smaller by then. I read a book or watch the city pass by the window. By the time I walk the last few blocks home, the lights are on in the houses along my street. This is just how I get to work now. It's a small, quiet part of my day that belongs to me. A commute, the trip between home and work. Today, I want to tell you about my commute to work. Today, I want to tell you about my commute to work. A platform, where you wait for a train. I go down to the platform. I go down to the platform. Rush hour, the busiest travel time. It's rush hour, so the platform is busy. It's rush hour, so the platform is busy. Packed, very full of people. Sometimes the subway car is packed and I have to stand. Sometimes the subway car is packed and I have to stand. Delayed, later than planned. Sometimes it's delayed and I have to wait a little longer. Sometimes it's delayed, and I have to wait a little longer. Where does Sophie wait for the subway? The street or the platform? Is the train always empty, or is it sometimes packed? Was Sophie's train on time today? Or was it delayed? Is the subway quiet at 8 a.m. or is it rush hour? That's right. Platform, packed, delayed, and rush hour. That's Sophie's commute. Thanks for practicing with me. Tell me in the comments, how do you get to work or school? Like, subscribe, and see you in the next story.